Good morning, viewers. So, went down to the hardware store. Not going to plug them because they don't give me crap for nothing. Well, anyway, if you're in Australia, you probably know. So I got this stuff. I don't get supported by any of that. But today, it's going to go into those gaps down the bottom. And I got 4 tins, and I think that'll be enough. If not, I'll get some more. But listen to old Whinger. Shut up, will you? We're doing this today, not riding around on the motorbike like you want. No, I'll lock you outside. You can whinge all you want, but you're not going to do it. All right, so I'm going to set you guys up somewhere. I have a couple of drums here that I can use. Let's see, will that fit? Yes. You can see my ass while I'm doing it. Not that I want you to, but you know what I mean. You'll be able to see where I am. Hopefully, this won't be too messy. Get out. Don't you get any of this on your fur. I'll have to cut it out of your fur. It's pretty sticky stuff. Silly dog. Get away from this. Get away. Oh, no. Get away from there. Don't touch the camera, please, mister. Sticky as they claim it is, because it's not sticking to the gel. That's better. Not much preparation. That's all right. That's all right. That's typical. Go leaf. We all. It really does. If you pull that trigger too hard, you could end up with a mess. Don't pull the trigger too hard. Although, some places, yeah, that's the trick. Don't pull too hard. And I'm trying to get this stuff that's hanging off of it off. And hang it upside down, it works better. Definitely works better upside down. Yo. wrong with tin. Get out the way. Go outside. I'm glad you know where outside is. That's good. So where are we at? It looks like you can see right across. Yeah. Anyway, it's not going too bad. Just a little hard to get up and down when you're a fat bastard. I'm glad I had a pair of old knee pads already. Of course, Gal or Zinc balloon has like an oil on it. Here's one thing I've got to stop. You and there's a yeah, bad joke, I know. So doesn't like to stick to that stuff much. Ooh, nice breeze coming in. That's good. Get off. Oh. What's wrong, Sonny? Am I doing something with that? Come on, out the way. It's not a toy. I opened up all the windows to get the fumes out, so that'll help. I don't want to get pulled over if we go to town though. They'll say, have you been taking anything? No. But shit, man, I've been doing some gaps. Oh. All right. So that's that end. Out. And stay out. Out. Don't turn around and go back in. You know, you're just like a 3-year-old child. You're going to reach through your outside. You know, he locked himself in here before because the back door, the wind blew it shut. Well, he thought he'd be smart and come inside while I was out there on the excavator. And, yeah, got a little stuck. Oh, 4 might be enough. Might be. If I can get up to halfway, 4 will just be enough. If one of the tins doesn't play up. Oh, come on, baby, you can do it. warm, baby. As a welder, this is like welding, knowing that you're going to run out of wire, and you're just hoping it lasts to the end of the job. Well, that didn't last to the end of the job, did it? Bastard. Oh well, once you put them on, you can't get them back off, eh? No, oh well. There's one. Oh. Maybe. Oh. The trouble is the four things. This one. Yeah, I should have enough. Because this should take me around to there. The other one should take me to there, and then a little bit. I should have about half a tin left. That's good. Because this stuff ain't cheap. It's $27 a tin. And when you've got no income, $27 a tin is a lot. Make sure I haven't missed any along here. Oh gosh! That is hard. That is hard. Oh! Oh, when you're fat and you know it, clap your hands. Anyway. Oh! That is just a mess. Oh. Definitely better on your back. Oh. It goes with that. And don't pull the trigger down. Beautiful breeze outside, but fat people just have to stand up and down twice and they're sweating their guts out. Did I miss a bit? I'll come back to that little tiny bit there. Oh, oh, oh. spits on the ground here. Stop coming out. And anybody that's ever worn knee pads, well, you know what it feels like. Whew. Oh, yeah, I guess you do. Well, I'm up to the corner. Let's see what you can see before I start. Oh, you can see the whole end. That's good. Yes, buddy, you can stay outside all the sticky stuff on the floor. I don't want to get on your paw. Yeah, just keep coming out by yourself. Silly phone. Oh. Stick, get off. Yep. Lovely. Yay. Oh. I think I've told you before, but I did this shed thing at another farm I had back in 2003. I wish I hadn't sold that farm, but the lady I met in China while I was working over there, I married her, and she didn't like the wild. I think, I don't know if she watches it or not, I don't care. I think it was because she couldn't get someone else's cock, but anyway, let's not go into that. These things happen. Maybe she fell over, 800 or 900 times. And found another bloke. Anyway, these things happened, and now she misses out on the hard lifestyle of off-grid. Come on, baby, you can do it. Just made it. Oh, good. Oh, dude. That just made it. Poke that in there will make it. Yep. Okay. So there's number 2. Oh. Now, this is a 14 by 8. Metre. It's 8 metres across, 14 metres long, and well, we've done 8, 22, I'm going to say that's half 4, it's 26 metres with 2. So I've got roughly 26 metres to do with another 10. I should have shifted the motorbike out the way. Because it finally got some love. Hello, stay up there, stay up there. Good boy, gee, you're a good boy. You are a good boy. Oop. So the next one should finish that and get down to the door. Then the last one should do that little bit over there. So it takes 10 minutes to dry, or tack-free, 30 minutes. Okay, cutting time, 30 minutes. So, may cause allergy, if you have breathing difficulties like asthma, may cause genetic defects. What the far out is that? May cause cancer. Oh, I've been lucky enough not to get it so far. Hopefully this stuff's not going to give it to me now. All right. Whew. Haven't moved any furniture in yet, you can see that though. Tank comes at lunchtime today. I don't know what time it is. I should go and get my phone. I think it's on the dash of the car. It'll be overheating. I did put it in the shade, but... Hey, stop! No. Not in the No. Oh, 6 calls missed. Oh, hang on. All right, it's been a few seconds. So, it's all in, it's all there. This side over here, the concrete was a little bit rough. Oh, it looks like I missed a piece. Right there, I'll have to fix that. I got some left over. I want to use it pretty quick, but if I'm going to use it, this one there, it's only been a couple of seconds. That stuff is such shit. Oh, sorry. Even missed another bit. No, it's coming out the sides of it. Oh my goodness. Anyway, that's as good as it's going to get. It will keep the snakes out. Won't keep huntsmen's out. Won't keep the spiders out. No, it won't. I do need to fix that one. That's 4 along there, because that'll definitely let huntsmen's in. Not that I'll ever keep them out, but you know, you got to try. Anyway, so when they did this shed, they didn't send me the keys to the locks on the windows. So they mailed them to me. I said, thank you very much, that'll be lovely. So they mailed them to me. Where did I put them? Here they are. So, just to show you, where's the keys? Oh, here. So here's a key they sent me. And look, doesn't fit. That is not for that type lock. Tried to ring them. She's not available. So I'll just put it back onto the shed builder and say, hey, you need to get the keys to the shed done properly. Well, the fly screens aren't back yet anyway, so this place definitely needs to have, it has to have fly screens. Has to. Can't not have fly screens. Must. The Australian bush is just full of things that fly screens stop. For those that don't live in Australia, they're called fly screens for a reason. And yeah, I definitely want them. It was one of my stipulations that this shed came with fly screens. A little bit of cleaning up to do yet before I plant grass. I got to clean up that mess yet. You can see I've been pushing along there, and I've been pushing more down outside. You can see through that window that because I want to push the trees back about 50 metres or so, or what's that, 35 yards or 30 yards or something. So if a fire comes through here, it might singe the water tank, but it's not going to come close to the shed, if you know what I mean. But however, a firestorm, which is very, very, very strong breezes, 100 kilometres an hour plus, just picking up the embers and just blowing them onto your house until your house isn't anymore. So that's the view that way. That's the view that, and this is where my tank's going soon. Well, I've got to even it out, and I've got to go and get my level, and I've got to level it out so it can fit there. I'm going to get him to put it over there, over at the beginning, so I can pick it up with the excavator and bring it over here and put it in once I've leveled it. But yes, one job done. The bottom has foam in it. Now I remember in my old shed, just to let you know, I didn't do this straight away, put the foam under. And one time I was working full time, and I came up to the farm on the weekend, because it was like a weekend farm then, and there was a snake skin on my bed, a big brown one. Now more than likely it was the brown snake that I found in my shed. It was about, I don't know, 5 foot long. It wasn't the biggest brown snake I've ever seen, but it was pretty thick, and it was hiding out my shed, my little 3x3 shed that was next door. And I pulled the tarp out, and I was in between all the layers of the tarpaulin. So as I pulled it out, here's this big brown snake having a bit of a camp in the tarpaulin in the shed. Would have been lovely and warm for him or her. Anyway, so yeah, look, you can see there, look, see on the outside you can see a bit hanging out. Anyway, so I don't want that to happen ever again. So I did that, and you know what? The next weekend after doing it, I was asleep, and I woke up. The dog was barking a little bit. I woke up, and I could hear something sliding against the foam. Now I can only think that it was a snake. I did have a look the next day. I had a look under the fridge, and it wasn't there. Could have been anywhere. And yeah, It gone now. So, by the way, that snake that I did find in between the tarpaulins, the shovel got it and took its head off pretty quick. Only because I'm not a snake catcher, and the nearest snake catcher to where I was about 2 hours. So, and you know, most people get bitten while they're trying to either catch or kill a snake, so just be aware of that. But yeah, so just waiting now, waiting for the truck to turn up with the water tank on it. I'm going to get it put out, as I said, I'm going to get it put out here. I'm going to shift that route so it doesn't damage it. And don't play with that stick. So that's what I did this morning. I pushed a few back, only took 10 minutes. But yeah, it's going to go in there. It's going to be about 600 to 800 off the shed, and we'll 600 to 800 mils off the shed, so I can put a bit of a path through later. Concrete path all the way around. So, well, from the shed back, I don't really need it here. This is already concrete path. So, and where the truck is, that's where I'm going to put the caravan. So, up on your bed, here, I made him a bed. I bought it for him and made it. Good boy, sit, drop. That's a good boy. No, you big sook. Stay. Oh, I don't think he likes it. I don't think he likes his bed. Well, that's sad for him, because that's his bed. I am going to put some foam on it, maybe a blankie for him. But yeah, so it's midday. If the solar panels are out there, it is a cloudy day. And I'm going to put the 2 containers out here. One close to this tree, and one further away, probably the other side of that rubbish shed. This is all going to be cleaned up yet once I shift that. I don't want to dent all that. I want to keep that tin that's there. I just don't know where to store it yet. I may store it where I just did the pushing, but I need to push some more, so I don't know about that. Yeah, it's all good. It's all happening. But yeah, this part here is going to be cleaned like over there. Then I'll get the tractor and I'll smooth it all out so I can plant some grass, some smaller grass, not this stick. They've got little seeds on them that stick in your shoes. Spear grass, we used to call it as a kid. It's called spear grass. Yeah, but anyway, all right. So that's the foam job done. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to push the like button, because that helps me out. It doesn't cost you anything. And leave a comment, because that helps as well. The algorithms on some of these sharing sites sort of help a little bit if you share it and hit the little like icon. And definitely subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, because it's going to get crazy around here. All right, love yous and leave yous. Talk to you.